We're here at a cycle show and we found one of the most interesting and radical new road bikes. I'm joined by Ian, the founder of the company, who's going to talk us through this new bike in detail.
Thank you. So the idea of R+1, we kind of started off with our design for thinking about our customers in mind, first of all. So we knew group set wise, a lot of the group set manufacturers were moving more towards a wider range of gear ratios, so 11, now 12 speed, possibly even 13 speed. So we believe the opportunity to remove the front mech is becoming more wider appealing. Once the front mech is away, we can then really start to develop some great ideas around the bottom bracket area and be very, very creative how we can do that. So that was the first thought. The second thought was really designing for our customers in mind. These customers want something comfortable as well. So just kind of going through the bike a little bit, I can explain to you first of all, the bike is purely one by only. It won't take a front mech. So we can then design the down tube to go into the bottom bracket area, very, very wide and a purely symmetrical shape as it goes into the BB. So straight away we add lateral stiffness to the bike by about 32%. So we can measure that comparing like for like. If this frame was 2x or 1x, we can see with 1x it's literally 32% stiffer laterally. Great performance improvement. Then we want to consider comfort. So we're running 30mm tires with stacks and stacks of clearance. We know this is going to take a lot of the high frequency vibration out of the tarmac, over the broken tarmac and the roads as well. We also wanted to add some additional comfort mechanically in the frame design. So that's why we have this quite unique chain stay, seat stay arrangement, in that this can provide some additional compliance and comfort to the frame also. Then what we wanted to do is just consider aero. We're not saying this is an out-and-out aero bike or race bike. We've made the tube shapes cam tail on the down tube, cam tail here on the seat post area and also on the seat stay. So the air is nice and clean all the way across the frame set as well. Then we wanted to add our own bar stem combo and have all the cable routing internal. So again, it's nice and clean. So we're running this bike with 12 speed ETAP. So wireless shifting, cable routing all inside. So overall it gives a very, very clean design. And we've been quite clever how we've designed the cable routing as well, so that it doesn't influence the steering, make any noise. It's very central, very safe, and works incredibly well. In terms of geometry, we want to design the bike with our customers in mind that might not be influenced by what's going on in the Pro Tour. And these kind of customers might want something very slightly different from what their road bike friends are riding. So we made the top tube and the stack and height in a comfortable manner. It's not super long, it's not super slammed, it's comfortable for our clients in mind. We can then offer a variation of bar widths and stem lengths on our bar stem combo. Then in terms of gear ratios, at the moment the SRAM Red and Force is 1033, and then with chainring size we can offer our own chain rings of 5 different sizes. So 38, 40, 42, 44, 46 chainring size. So the customer can choose any chainring size that they want, first of all, say for argument's sake a 42 tooth chainring, and then we're going to give the customer a second chainring of their choice, either smaller or larger, so they can easily swap that out depending on the riding conditions and the terrain that they're riding. And it's a really simple 8-bolt fixing onto the new SRAM Red and Force crank arm. So pretty versatile. Disc brakes, as you'd expect, 160 front, 140 rear. Overall package, I think, is nice and clean and tidy in this design. And then also we do another version as well, which will accommodate a normal bar and stem combo with normal cable routing for Di2, mechanical cable shifting, etc. So that's the whole idea of Vielo R+1. We hope customers like it. It's a very comfortable bike, something new, a bit innovative. In terms of look, again, we just want to keep the design typical Vielo, not over-logoed. Chain line, drivetrain just black, so you're looking at the frame itself. This colour in a mustard yellow with anthracite details. The other bike is in kind of a china grey colour with mustard colour details. And that's Vielo R+1.
There we go, a really interesting bike. Thank you for your time, Ian. Let us know what you think of this bike in the comment section below. Got any questions or opinions, do put them down there below. Make sure you hit that like button as well if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you again next time.